Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials and then load a small sample so you can act fast. First, make sure Python, pandas, and ample memory are available. This prevents mid-process crashes. Once done, open the dataset source and read a modest number of rows, 1K to 10K, to inspect column types, missing values, and obvious encoding issues. Doing this lets you detect schema mismatches and plan column casts or parsing rules before transforming large volumes, saving time and compute. You now perform the core cleaning and transformation steps that unlock analysis. Start by standardizing types, parse dates, convert numeric strings to floats, and collapse sparse categories into sensible groups, because consistent types prevent silent errors. Then address missingness. Choose drop for tiny gaps or impute median/forward fill when structure matters. Next, normalize scales and create features that capture domain signals. Export every transformation as code or a pipeline so you can reproduce and iterate reliably once you validate results on the sample. You finish by validating outputs and saving a robust artifact. Execute integrity checks, confirm row counts, unique key constraints, expected value ranges, so quality issues surface before consumption. Once satisfied, persist the clean dataset to partition Parquet or a database table with explicit schema and version tags to support reproducibility. If errors appear, make sure to log anomalies, profile the failing rows, and either roll back to the prior version or isolate bad partitions for reprocessing. This targeted troubleshooting prevents full rework and preserves trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.